In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Foxy Proxy to Firefox. To start, you need to open Firefox. You can do this by locating the Firefox icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you find it, double-click on the icon to launch the browser. As Firefox opens, you will see your homepage or a new tab, depending on your settings. This is a crucial first step because without opening Firefox, you cannot proceed to install the add-on. Just take a moment to ensure that everything is working smoothly. Next, you need to go to the Foxy Proxy standard add-on page. You can do this by typing the web address into the address bar. The URL is addons.mozilla.org/en-us/firefox/addon/foxyproxy-standard. Once you've entered the URL, hit the Enter key. This will take you directly to the Foxy Proxy standard page. Here you will find detailed information about the add-on, including its features and user reviews. This step is important because it ensures you are on the correct page to download the add-on. Now look for the button that says Add to Firefox. It is usually prominently displayed on the right side of the page. Click on this button to initiate the installation process. As you click this button, a prompt may appear asking for your confirmation. This step is crucial because it signifies your intention to add Foxy Proxy to your browser. You can see that the button changes color or slightly animates when clicked. This visual feedback reassures you that the process is underway. After clicking Add to Firefox, you will need to review the requested permissions. A new window will pop up detailing what the add-on will access and what permissions it requires. This information is important because it helps you understand what Foxy Proxy will be able to do once it's installed. Take a moment to read through this list carefully. If you agree with the permissions, click the Add button to proceed. This step ensures that you are aware of what the add-on will do, keeping your browsing experience secure. Once you have clicked Add, Foxy Proxy will be installed and you will be ready to configure it. You might see a confirmation message or a notification indicating that the installation was successful. This is a good sign as it confirms that Foxy Proxy is now part of your Firefox browser. At this point, you can start setting up your proxy settings according to your needs. This step is vital because a successful installation lays the groundwork for customizing your browsing experience with Foxy Proxy. As a helpful tip, you can pin the Foxy Proxy icon to the Firefox toolbar for easier access. To do this, right-click on the Foxy Proxy icon, which may appear in the toolbar or in the menu, and select the option to pin it. This little adjustment can save you a lot of time later when you want to quickly access Foxy Proxy settings. Having the icon readily available makes it more convenient to toggle your proxy settings whenever needed. Now you are all set to use Foxy Proxy in Firefox. With the add-on successfully added, you can begin to explore its features and customize it to suit your needs. Whether you are looking to enhance your privacy or access geo-restricted content, Foxy Proxy provides you with the tools to do so. Thank you for following along. Enjoy a more secure and flexible browsing experience.